In the fresh development, the federal government has announced an ongoing plan to create an aircraft manufacturing company in Nigeria. The Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development, Festus Keyamo, shared this information at the inauguration of the X-Jet Maintenance, Repair and Overhaul (MRO) facility and Flight Support Center in Abuja. Keyamo emphasized that this initiative is in line with the government's objective to assist local operators and enhance the country's aviation sector. This facility represents a partnership between X-Jet and local banks, with the goal of positioning Nigeria as a regional center for aviation services. The minister stated, "Since we came to office, we've been focusing on attracting MRO facilities to our aviation ecosystem, just as they exist in other parts of the world. We've searched far and wide for investors, but now we see that what we are looking for elsewhere is right here at home. This collaboration between an indigenous operator and local banks is a dream come true." Emphasizing the project's significance, the minister noted that the inclusion of additional facilities such as the training center, which he described as a huge achievement. Keyamo added, "This development will not only serve Nigeria, but will attract users from across the West African sub-region. That's the dream, to make this facility a regional center for excellence." Speaking on the broader vision, the Chief Executive Officer of X-Jet, Emmanuel Iza, shared this information at the inauguration of X-Jet Maintenance, Repair and Overhaul MRO facility and Flight Support Center in Abuja. Iza highlighted the employment opportunities that the multi-million-dollar project is anticipated to create for Nigerians, mentioning that X-Jet currently employs approximately 300 individuals. He also pointed that the construction of the facility will necessitate a similar financial commitment. We'll continue to monitor this story. For more news updates, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.